Hello, this is Peter. Welcome back to our channel. In this video we will talk about Amazon influencer marketing. Influencer marketing on Amazon involves partnering with social media influencers and content creators to promote your products on the Amazon platform. Here's a detailed flow of how Amazon influencer marketing typically works. 1. Identify your goals. Determine your marketing objectives. Whether it's increasing product awareness, driving sales, or gaining more reviews. 2. Find suitable influencers. Research and identify influencers whose audience aligns with your target demographic and products. Look for influencers in your niche. 3. Contact influencers. Reach out to the selected influencers through email, social media, or influencer marketing platforms. Present your partnership proposal, including compensation details, product offerings, and campaign goals. 4. Negotiate terms. Discuss terms, including compensation, e.g., flat fee, commission, or free products, content requirements, campaign duration, and posting schedule. 5. Compliance with Amazon's policies. Ensure that both you and the influencers are in compliance with Amazon's policies for influencer marketing. This includes guidelines on disclosure and promotion methods. 6. Provide product samples. Ship your products to the influencers so they can create content around them. Ensure they understand your brand and products. 7. Content creation. Let the influencers create engaging content that highlights your products. This can include videos, photos, reviews, and tutorials. 8. Amazon store setup, if needed. If you haven't already, create an Amazon store or optimize your product listings to maximize conversions when traffic is directed from the influencer's content. 9. Content review and approval. Review the content created by influencers to ensure it meets your brand guidelines and Amazon's policies. Request edits if necessary. 10. Publish and promote. Once the content is approved, the influencer will post it on their social media channels, blog, or YouTube, including links to your Amazon product listings. 11. Monitoring and engagement. Monitor the campaign's performance, including traffic, sales, and customer reviews. Engage with customers and respond to inquiries or comments generated by the influencer's posts. 12. Payment to influencers. Pay influencers based on the agreed upon terms. This may include payment upon content creation, sales commission, or a combination of both. 13. Analyze results. After the campaign, analyze the campaign's success based on key performance indicators (KPIs) such as increased sales, traffic, brand visibility, and customer feedback. 14. Feedback and relationship building. Provide feedback to influencers on their performance and establish a long-term relationship for potential future collaborations. 15. Legal considerations. Ensure you have appropriate contracts or agreements in place to protect both parties legally. 16. Repeat and scale. Depending on the success of your influencer marketing campaign, consider scaling and repeating the process with new influencers or expanding your collaboration with existing ones. Remember that successful influencer marketing on Amazon requires a well-thought-out strategy, clear communication, and a focus on building authentic relationships with influencers who can authentically promote your products to their engaged audience. Thanks for watching.